Unleash your inner filmmaker and craft stunning videos without spending a dime using the incredible Nano Banana. First, let's head over to the Nano Banana website. You'll find it by simply searching for Nano Banana online. Once you're there, look for the Start Creating or Free Trial button. A circumflex euros. Don't worry, it's completely free to use all its features. The first step is to upload your raw footage. Click on the Upload Media button and select all the video clips, images, and any audio files you want to include in your project. Nano Banana supports a wide range of formats, so you can be sure your files will be compatible. Now, let's assemble your story. Drag and drop your uploaded clips onto the editing timeline below. You can rearrange them, trim them to the perfect length, and even cut out unwanted sections by selecting a clip and using the scissors icon. Time to add some flair. Explore the Effects tab. You'll find a treasure trove of visual enhancements, from subtle color corrections to dynamic transitions that will make your video pop. Simply drag an effect onto a clip to apply it. Engage your audience with text. Navigate to the text option. You can add titles, captions, or any on-screen information. Customize the font, size, color, and even animate the text to draw attention to key messages. Sound is crucial in the audio section. You can adjust the volume of your video clips, add background music from Nano Banana's free library, or upload your own. Ensure your audio levels are balanced for a professional sound. Further elevate your content with Multimedia Elements. Look for options like stickers, overlays, or graphics. These can add personality, visual interest, and even explain complex ideas in a fun way. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Click on the Export button. You can choose your desired resolution and file format. Nano Banana will then render your masterpiece, ready to be shared with the world. And voila, you've just created a compelling video with Nano Banana, absolutely free and ready for you to share anywhere. Happy creating.